I will explain about the union concept in C program. In previous classes, I explained about structures. What is the importance of the structure? Why we use structure concept in C programming? Okay. In today class, I will tell you about union concept in C. Okay. Why we use union concept in C and what are the differences between union and structures. After that, I will give the example by using the union concept. Then, just first of all, I want to tell you the definition of the union. The union is a user-defined data type. The structure is also user-defined data type, which is also store the different types of the data. But here, the union is also used to store the what? Different type of elements, because each and element is belongs to the different types. We can able to store the collection of elements of different types, not the same type. If it is the same type, the concept is called as the arrays, okay, which are used to store the collection of elements of same type. But here also, which can able to store the different type of elements. Then the union, the next statement you can see here, the unions are similar to structures. The only difference is in terms of storage, because in case of memory allocation only the difference. The remaining all are same. Okay, which is also used to store the different types of the element. The structure is also used to store the different types of the elements. But what is the difference is that in terms of storage, the memory allocation is the difference. But why? What is the how the memory will be allocated to the structure and union we will see. In structure, the each member has its own storage location. Whenever you use the structure, each and every structure member has its own address space. The separate memory to be allocated to each and every structure member. Then whereas in case of union, all members of union uses a single shared memory location, because this is the major difference between a structure and union. In case of structure, each and every structure has its own address location, but in case of union, only which uses only single shared memory location. If three variables are in the union, but only one address space is shared by the three members of the union. What are the members are there in the union? All members can share the same address space. Okay, in case of structure, each and every member of structure has its own address location or address space, but in case of union is all members can share the same address space. How it is possible? How all the members can share the same address space? We will see in the example. Okay, that is the only difference. Then, which is equal to how the memory will be allocated to the union? Which is equal to the size of its largest data member, because whatever the data member is having the largest data member, the memory is allocated to the largest data member size. Okay, how it is possible, I will explain. Okay, its size of the union is largest data member. Then you can see over here, what is this is the one of the disadvantage of the union is at once only one member of the union can occupy the memory, because all variable can share the same address space. That's why at a time only one member can stored in that memory location, or else one member of the union can share the address space at a time. The union keyword is used to define the union. When how the allocation of memory will be different in case of in terms of structure and union, we will see. Okay, struct demo d1 into x char y, float z. Same union, demo, int x, char y, then float z. Then it is suppose d2, whatever, d1, because these are two different. Here, in case of structure, you can see over here, there are three members are there, x, y and z. X is belongs to the integer, y is belongs to the character, and z is belongs to the what? Float. But how the memory will, what is the size of this structure? Okay. Then here what? 2 bytes. Then here 1 byte. Each and every member has its own address location in case of structure. Here float 4 bytes. But what is the structure variable? What is the size of the structure variable is? Suppose d1 equal 2 plus 1 plus 4. Then what is the 7 bytes? Okay. What is the size of this structure is? 7 bytes. In case of here 2 bytes, then 1 byte, here 4 byte. But here, in case of how the memory should be allocated to the union, because you know that only in case of storage only difference, remaining all are same. But what is the difference between structure and union is, it occupies 2 bytes, it occupies 1 byte, it occupies 4 bytes. How the memory will be allocated to the memory? Which one is the largest size of the union? Float 4. 4 bytes is the largest size of the union. The memory will be allocated to the only largest size. Okay. What is the d1 equal to what? 4 bytes. Memory allocated to the only 4 bytes of union. Because in case of this one, how many bytes? What is the size of the structure? T1 is 7 bytes. What is the structure of the union is 4 bytes. Okay, in case of memory, okay, it's you by using the union you can able to save the memory. Okay, each and every member of union can share the same address space. Same address space. How much memory will be allocated to the union? Only 4 bytes of space will be allocated to the union. But what is the disadvantage is that the union can't handle all the members at a time. The union can't handle all the members at a time. It can be handled one by one. That's why the statement is there. At once, only one member of the union can occupy the memory. At a time, whatever the address is shared by all the members of union, at a time only one member can store in the address location. Got my point? Then next I will tell you the what is the example by using the union concept. Got this example? What is the size of the union is 4 bytes. What is the size of the structure is 7 bytes. Here the memory will be allocated to the largest element of the union. Which one is the largest one? Float. Float is how many bytes? 4 bytes. The memory is allocated to how many bytes? Only 4 bytes of storage memory will be allocated to the union. That is the difference. Then I will write the example using the union concept. Just wait a second. Then example, then what is the syntax? You know it. Can I write the syntax? Syntax is that union name, then data type member 1, then data type member 2, then data type member n. Okay. Then structure variable of the union declaration accessing the members of the union are all same like a structure. The difference is that in terms of storage only. Here we use the keyword union, there we use the keyword struct. Okay, the union name, the data member 1, member 2, all are different data types of members can be able to store in the union. The end of the union you should be able to put a semicolon. Okay, this is the syntax for the union. The syntax is like a structure, but difference is that here we use the keyword union, there we use the keyword struct. So then I will write the example. Then union employee int id char employee name of 10. Then white main printf enter employee id scanf %d. Here first of all you should be able to create the employee variable, then structure variable like union variable, union, or else you can keyword, you can employee. There are here you can able to declare the structure variable, union variable here are there. Okay, then address of e dot id, then printf enter employee name scanf %s, we don't use address operator for the string, employee e dot name, yeah, then printer emp id employee id equal %d, then e dot id, then printf employee name %s, then main function will be closed. Here it is having the 2 bytes, then it is having how many bytes? 10 bytes. Okay, but what is the size of the memory is? Size of memory is 10 bytes. What is the largest size of the union? 10 bytes. Okay, the memory will be 10 bytes of memory will be allocated to the union variable e. Okay, the 10 bytes. What is the e? This is called as what? Union variable. Okay, structure variable like here also union variable. You can create or else union name and variable, or else you can declare here also, there is no problem. Okay, union name employee, what is e, this is called as the variables, union variable. Okay, you can declare the union variable either here or there, like a structure syntax. Here we can able to store the employee ID. For example, what is the employee ID you are stored here? Only how the memory will be shared by all the members of the class. Then one thing you have to remember it, only the last data is stored in the memory because it can be override the previous one. For example, enter the employee ID. What is the ID is given? 521. The 521 will be stored in the E dot because the structure variable is what? ID. The name. What is the structure variable? E. What is the ID given? For example, 521 is given. Then employee name is Anurag. Because at a time you can't store it. Because the same address location. It is the same, it is shared by all members. First is what? ID will be stored. Then ID will be stored 521. Then after that, enter employee name. At that time, we are taking the input of the employee name. It can first, whatever the data is entered, it can be override. Okay, what is the employee name? It can be override. Name, employee name is Anurag. Then, after that employee ID, the ID got lost its data. Because whatever the data is entered recently, name can be override the ID. Because the same address space can be shared by all the members of the union. That's why ID will be garbage. Garbage value will be displayed in the ID because it can be override. Then employee name is what? Anurag. Name equal to Anurag will be displayed. You got my point? Okay, instead of taking the input, just wait a second. Either you can take it from the input directly, either you can initialize E dot ID equal to 521 or else E dot string copy can be directly CPY E dot name comma Anurag. Then here also, what is the output? First ID will be stored. At that time, what is the ID? Then ID will be, what is the value you are initializing? 521. There is no problem. Because when you initialize the next member of union, it can be override. Because same at a time only one data member can store in the memory. Then string copy E dot name Anurag, it can be override. Name, what is there? Anurag. Now employee ID is got lost. Okay, because recently what we taken Anurag, it can be override the previous member data. That's why employee ID equal to what? Some garbage value will be displayed. The employee name equal to what? Name will be displayed. What is the name? This is the garbage value name. Okay, then I will change it. EMP ID equal %D, then E dot ID, then string copy E dot name comma Anurag. Yeah. First, what is the value we are storing in the structure variable EID equal to what is value? 521. Okay, employee ID equal, what is the output? Here, employee ID equal Then I am writing the output over here. Employee ID equal what? 521 will be displayed. At that time I did not enter second data. Okay, whatever data you are entered in the memory, it has been displayed. Then when we come to the third statement, EM name equal to Anurag, the old data can be override. Then name, what is here? Anurag. Then employee name is what? Anurag. At this time we got the two outputs. First data entered, immediately we displayed it. After that we taken the second data, it has been displayed on the output device. Previously, first both are displayed, after that we displayed. At that time the first data got override. Okay, recent data can be stored in the memory. That's why whenever the data immediately we displayed, after that we stored the second member of union. After that it is displayed. At that time we got the 521, employee ID equal 521, employee name equal Anurag. This is the how the memory allocation will be done to the union. Okay, you can see this example. Okay, the same address space can be shared by all the members of the employee. Sorry, all the members of union. Got my point? If you have any doubt regarding the union concept, please post your query in the comment box window. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all for watching my videos.